Today is also World Teachers Day. So before I talk of the topic assigned to me, I would like to say a few things about the role of teachers. This is what not to say as a teacher. Sa isang examination, student, ma'am, pwede gamitan ng liquid paper eraser? Liquid paper eraser? Teacher, ang kulit mo naman. Sinabi ng pad paper lang eh. Pagkatapos ng examination, teacher, oh, time is up. 1, 2, 3. Count your papers to me. Pagkatapos ng klase, you know, if you go to the United States, you realize that the phrase pass out means to faint, like she passed out of excitement or out of fear. Here in the Philippines, if you are a teacher, you should not tell your students, okay class, it is time to go home. Form a line and pass out slowly. Or, do not say these things. Teacher to student, okay? Form 2 straight lines. Form 2 straight circles. Form 2 straight circles and find your height alphabetically. Saka, mag-ingat tayo because sometimes we're the wrong word usage. Mali ang salita sa English. For example, the word in English, laity, L-A-I-T-Y. We all know that laity means the parishioners of a Catholic church, in contradistinction to the religious, the parish priest, and the other members of the religious community. Ngayon, pag nabihan ka use the word laity in a sentence, you should not say, hometown ni Imelda Marcos ang laity. Or the use of the word mention, banggitin, mention. Halimbawa, mali ito. Ang laki ng bahay nila, parang mention. Punctuation. Punctuation. Period, comma, semicolon. Punctuation. Sabi ng isang bata, Daddy, pasukan ko na next week. Ano po ng punctuation? Tenacious. Tenacious meaning stubborn. Keep on fighting that being tenacious. Somebody said, before playing tennis, I have to put on my teenage shoes. The use of the word curtain and kitchen. Aray, huwag mo akong curtain. This is a Catholic institution, so we must always remember, even our politicians do not ever remember, that God is watching. The children were lined up in the cafeteria of a Catholic elementary school for lunch. At the head of the table was a large pile of bananas. The nun made a note and posted on the banana tray, "Take only one. God is watching." Moving further along the lunch line, at the other end of the table was a large pile of hot dogs. A child had written a note, "Take only one. God is watching the bananas, but not the hot dog." Oh, translation of song titles. Nung panahon pa itong mga ito, merong song hit na Hey Jude. Hey Jude is the name of song. Translation Tagalog, Hoy, Hudas. Meron din noong song hit or hit song. Ang title niya, Power of Love. Sa Tagalog, Buntis. Hanggang ngayon, kinakanta pa yan eh. 3 times a lady. Ang ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, super bakla. Another hit song, More Than a Woman. More Than a Woman. In Tagalog, Tibo. Finally, the song entitled, Can't Be With You Tonight. Cannot Be With You Tonight. Tagalog, nandito asawa ko. And then, here is a series of final examination questions that can help you. Ang fire exit ba ay labasan ng apoy?